What's up, guys? It's Blake with Y2K, and today I'm coming to you from the 92 OG Diablo. Haven't made a video about this car in a little bit, so I wanted to give you an update on the car. You saw the Everything That's Broken video, and I actually tried to fix one thing on that list. I tried to recharge the AC system. As I told you before, I live in Florida, and it is hot in the summer. So that's pretty much been my main goal, is to get this AC working. I found a place locally, believe it or not, with R12. They've got the original machine, and I took it there. It cost me about $400, but I did successfully charge the AC system, and I had AC for a whopping 24 hours. Probably really only like an hour, because that's all I drove the car for. But it was a life-changing experience. So, unfortunately, when I got home from the AC shop, the Freon had completely evaporated out of the car. It was smoking. It looked like something was on fire. The whole AC compressor had just billows of smoke coming out, which turned out to be an oil/Freon leak. And I believe when the Freon gas escapes, there's some oil-like residue in the Freon itself from the can they used to charge it or whatever. But the good news is I did have AC for a little bit, and I was driving it just like I am now with the windows up, but right now I'm kind of suffocating in here, and it's overcast, so I can barely make this video without dying of a heat stroke. But anyways, I got it working for a little bit. Unfortunately, it leaked all of it out, so I went online to scooteriaparts.com, and I got a new AC compressor for about, I think it was $829 direct from Lamborghini. And that was supposed to take 2 months, but the good news is, guys, it's coming in and it's actually here today. So I'll show you a shot of that all new Lamborghini compressor in the video. I'll overlay it right here so you can check that out. It's a sanded compressor, which is, you know, pretty standard deal on European cars. It was like over $1,000 on another site called bullstuff.com. So fortunately, I found it, you know, for about 830 bucks. And I've got a mechanic in Atlanta that I'm going to ship the car to. He's going to go through the entire AC system, the lines, everything, because I think there's actually a line that's leaking out through what, you know, what kind of looks like a valve stem almost, is how the AC deal works. So I'm getting all that taken care of, and I hopefully should have AC again, maybe late September. I'm not in like a huge rush, but it would really be nice to have it, because I want to do some, you know, like some shorter trips and stuff in this car, and having AC is very necessary, one, for my personal well-being and my wife's, and number two, it's really hard to make videos in this car with the windows down, because the audio is just not very good. I'm waiting on some better mics for my setup, but they're on back order, so yeah, that is what it is. But the AC will be fixed. I'm excited to have air conditioning again in the car. And I haven't, like I said, I haven't made many videos lately with the car, so I wanted to go ahead and update you on what I'm working on, which is the AC. I do have a little issue with the seat. Some of the piping is like the leather piping around it that's black around the seat. A part of that is actually broken open, and the actual like little wire that runs through the piping to keep it, to give it its shape, is just hanging out. I'll show a video of that right now. So that is something I need to take to an upholstery shop to get that done. But other than that, not much to speak of. The car had a little bit of a minor leak coming out of the differential a few weeks, well, maybe about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and but I haven't seen it since, and I'll probably just go ahead and get that resealed. You know, when I get the AC and all that done, and I've got spark plugs for the car. I'm going to probably go ahead and do that. And but other than that, you know, that's pretty much it. But I really just wanted to tell you guys how great it was to have air conditioning in a 92 Diablo. That was a really big, important thing, and it was awesome. I was driving around like a normal person, just like any other car. So anyways, that's my little update for you guys today. It's actually, I think it's starting to rain right now while I'm driving. So hope you you guys enjoyed my little blurb today on Y2K. Like I said, our shirts, our Y2K shirts are actually for sale right now. There's a link to that below in the video. They're only 25 bucks shipped to anywhere in the lower 48 states. And, you know, if you want to stay fly and prove that, get a Y2K shirt, you know, and show your support for the channel. Please do yourself a favor and subscribe and hit the like button. That really helps us out with our content. Lately, our past couple of videos have gotten a lot more views than before, so we're gaining traction, and it's all because of you guys. And, you know, the more likes, subscribes, and all that stuff we can get, the more content and featuring and stuff that we can bring you. I've got some really cool ideas for some big road trips coming up, and I'm in the process of finding a replacement for the S600, which is very exciting. So that car is shipping off to Maryland, to Savage Garage, tomorrow morning, and then we will have room for another vehicle. So stay tuned for that. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.